Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel. This is Cool Phrase Endings Part 2. Now if you missed Part 1, you can click the link right up here and it'll take you to that video, but I'll also put a link to it at the end of this video. So, let's get started. So let me play this example for you first and then I'll break it down, okay? So we're in the key of C, just going to play around with 1, 4, 5 and then get to that ending. So let's start where we're going to end. We're going to end on this chord here, the C chord. So I have C and G in the left hand and then E and C in the right hand. Okay. Now we've got some moving in the middle notes. So we have the top two notes that play and then we have the movement in the middle note. So let's take a look at the left hand first. Now here we're going to end on the G, but we're going to start two notes up and do a movement to get us there. So we're going to play. We're going to start up at that B. It sounds weird by itself, but in the context of it sounds good. Now in the right hand, I play this top note here first, and then I go. So I start two notes up on this G, I go down to F, but then I skip down to D, come back up to E. Let me play that one more time. Now let's hear both hands in context. Now again, I like to do a little grace note on that first right hand note. So it has kind of a nice, kind of a gospel amen ending to it. So this really works best for phrase endings, like when you're coming to the end of a phrase. If you're going to use it at the end of the song, you probably want to really slow it down so people know that this is the end. And there you have it. You can get a free PDF by clicking the link below, and it has this example in all 12 keys, and it also has the modifications for 3/4 and 6/8. Well, if you got some value out of this, would you hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel? You can also support this channel by becoming a Patreon member, and you can do that by clicking the link in the description box. And before you sign off, make sure to check out some of these other videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.